Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's that time of the year. How are you all doing? I hope you are enjoying your winter holidays. In the last part of this series, we worked on creating the floor. Now, in this part, we will focus on designing the entrance door for the room. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in and let's get started. Let's select the corridor. First, we will hide everything which we don't want. We will hide our floor. We will hide our dark green borders, wall plank, wooden. Anything else which is left? Yes, we'll hide our camera too. Where is camera? Yes. So now we will select our corridor. Press tab to go into the edit mode, and now we'll select our face by pressing 3. We'll with press shift D to duplicate it and right click to leave it at its place. Press P for making a selection out of it, and now tab out, select the duplicated face and press F2 to rename it to door. Now select the door, go into the front view mode and tab into it. Let's open our wireframe mode and toggle our X-ray vision. We will select our duplicated face, which is door, and by default we will change the snap target to edge. You can change it to face also, but I prefer edge. It's both will work the same, but yeah, it's up to you. And in more professional sense, edge is better choice right now. So we'll select our face, go into the front view, we'll extrude it by pressing E and bring our cursor on the inner side of the wall. Press shift tab to snap it and click. So right now if we isolate our door, it must look like this. As you can see, this is the same width as our wall, and now we'll tab out and select our corridor again. We'll add a modifier, boolean modifier, to make a cutout for our door. Let's select our door here, and now if we hide our door, you can see a cutout is made for our door. Let's select our corridor again, tab into it and select our face again, this face again. Press shift D to duplicate it, right click to leave it at its place, press P to make a selection out of it and tab out again. Select our duplicated face and we'll rename it to the real door. Real door. And now as you can see, we will make a door out of it. Go into the front view, we'll tab into our edit mode while selecting our real door. Select the face, go into the front view, press E to extrude it and bring it to the wall. Press shift tab again to snap it, and now our real door is again the same length as our wall. Wait, where is the real door? Oh, wait a second. Now I know what's the issue.
Respond! Say something! Yes, Chief. No, Chief. Maybe, Chief. What is it?
Actually, I made a mistake here. So let's tab into it again, and we will remove the
For the love of God! Please!
boolean modifier which we applied on our corridor. We'll remove from the real door. We will remove the boolean modifier. You will need to remove it so that we can see the door, or else it will be hidden when we go out of the edit mode. Right now our door looks like this. This is our real door. Let's unisolate it, and now let's make it. We have got our shape of our door. Let's get started then. We'll isolate it, and now we'll go into the solid mode. Tab into our door, in real door, not door, in real door. Select 3 and we'll use Ctrl R to make edge loops. We will make one edge loop right here in the middle, and one edge loop almost at 1/3 of its height. As you can see, we'll remove this, dissolve edges, dissolve this edge too. We'll dissolve this edge too, as it will be unnecessary. Now we'll go face select by pressing 3, and we'll select both of these faces and press I, and we'll press I again, and this is how we will give border to our door. Let's 109 0.109. This will be the thickness of our border. Now we'll select both of our faces again and go to the front view by pressing X here, and now we will switch on our wireframe mode and also toggle our X-ray view. With X-ray view toggled and both the faces selected, we'll press E to extrude them inside. With shift we can do precise extrude, and this is fine, I guess. This much is fine. Let us see our door. Yes, this is fine. This is looking good. Pretty nice. And now let's add a few details. We'll give edge to make partitions for the window panels. We will give edge loop by pressing Ctrl R and scroll up till we get our 4 sections. And now, yes, 4 sections are too much. Let's make it 3. And again we'll give our edge loops 4 times here. Same way, press Ctrl R and scroll upwards till the time you get 3 sections here. And now, as we can see, we'll remove the extra edges here. We'll select everything which is extra here, as we won't be needing it, and it will clean up our topology. I guess that's what we call it. It's a little time consuming, so feel free to skip few seconds ahead. My mouse doesn't work properly sometimes, I don't know why. Remember to keep pressing shift here, or else you will lose all your selected areas. We are almost done with selecting. Press X and dissolve edges. Wait a second. I guess I didn't select these. Yes. Now we'll select all our. Press Shift Alt to select the whole edge loop. And now press Ctrl B to bevel it and change the width to 0.109. 0.109. It's too much. It's too much. Yes, this is fine. What is half of 0.109? Somewhere around 100. So 0.050. Yes, 0.050 is fine. 0.050. Yes, this is fine. Press Ctrl Z once, only once, and press press Shift and press 3. Now press Shift and deselect all these middle faces. and now press 2 again and remove these lines. Wait a second. Red hot into your phone. You baby, don't you? So now we will press X and dissolve edges, and now press 3 obviously, and shift drag our cursor, select this whole area, while pressing the X again we'll deselect all these area. We don't need this also. Time consuming method. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now we'll open our X-ray vision, wireframe. Go to the front view, press E, and while pressing shift we will extrude them. I guess this is good enough. So right now this is our, what do you call, our bindings, whatever wooden bindings these are. But we are missing one thing, that is panels. To give panels, what we will do, while pressing shift we'll select each and every face here again. Wow, I don't know, for some reason I forgot to copy panels before. We'll press shift D and right click to leave it at its place, press P, make a selection out of them, tab out, select the real door 0.001, press F2 and rename them to window panel, window panels. Let's add a bevel modifier to our door to give it a little more door feeling. So if you guys are having problem in using bevel modifier, remove it, and now we will have to bevel our borders manually. Select all these faces. It will be a little trial and error method. Wait, yes. And now as you can see, press Ctrl B to bevel and press shift to bevel precisely. Remember, we need a very little amount of bevel, so I guess this much is fine. Let's zoom in and check our bevel. Yes, this is fine. Won't do much harm. Let's select this too. Instead of press 2 and select the inner sides of the wall, that make up the big rectangle. Press Ctrl B to bevel them. Wait, why can't I bevel them? Ctrl B. Wait a second, I will need to zoom in and see what is happening. Okay, it will be 0.01108 with 4 segments. Yes, this much is fine. This is looking good. Let's check it out now. Yes, it's looking nice. Oh, sorry, it's looking nice. And now our door is made. Let's check it from other side too, and it should look something like this. From top, from up close, you can see. And yes, this is done. Let's unhide our all other we don't hide our door for time being. Wooden plank. Yes. So this is our house right now. Let's meet again in part 5. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 5. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ho ho ho.